जय श्री राम. साधिंचने वो मनसा. Tyagaraja is again resorting to Nindastuti. O mind, he has won whatever he was set upon winning. Whatever he decided, whatever he was set upon winning in his mind, and contradicting himself and all those pronouncements about what is the dharmic path which he himself taught. He finally has achieved whatever he wanted to achieve. This is the ultimate in Nindastuti. సాధించనే ఓ మనసా బోధించిన సన్మార్గవచనములు బొంకుజేసి తాపట్టిన పట్టు సాధించనే. He has made them false or discredited them sort of. బొంకుజేసి made them untruthful. సమయానికి తగు మాటలాడినే. And he is a very tactful speaker, you see. Very tactfully, diplomatically, he will say whatever suits the occasion. Devaki Vasudevula neginchinnattu. He harassed, teased and troubled Devaki and Vasudeva, you see. They had to be in a jail and you know the story. Rangeshudu Sat Gangajanakudu Sangeeta Sampradayakudu Sadhinchanevo Manasa. Now he is praising. He is calling him Rangeshudu Sat Gangajanakudu. He is the Rangesha, father of the holy Ganga and the originator of all the musical systems. Gopijana Manoratha Mosangalekane Geliyu Chesevadu. He enthralled all the women and he was unable to grant the heartfelt wishes of the Gopikas, and instead of gratifying their wishes, he ridiculed them also. వనితల సదా సొక్కజేయుసును మ్రొక్కజేసే పరమాత్ముడదియుగాక యశోద తనయుడంచు ముదంబునను ముద్దుబెట్ట నవ్వుచుండహరి. The Paramatma who captivated the minds of all these women, made them prostrate before him, and additionally when they kissed him, rejoicing in him as the son of Yashoda, he was smiling slyly at them. పరమభక్త వత్సలుడు సుగుణాపారా వారుండు ఆజన్మ మనగుడి కలిబాధల తీర్చువాడు అనుచు నే హృదంబుజమును జూచుచుండగా. When I cherished him in the lotus of my heart, and treating him as the father, as an epitome of all great virtues, who could read